Okay, so I've assembled the rocket, and I want to just give you one last tip. Now the blades, when you put them in there, they're designed to wrap around the outside over the next blade. So my blades, it seemed like they were a little bit curled too tight and they wanted to go on the inside. So I had to kind of stretch them out a little bit. Like this. You have to be very careful. I think what happened on mine was when I put the mesh on with the super glue, it shrunk and it pulled them too tight. So I've had to uncurl them a little bit to make sure that they wrap on the outside when you push them down. So you'll put one down, and you're going to take the next one, make sure it goes on the outside, and then this one here also on the outside. And that will give you the most room to get them into the tube. So this is kind of all wound up here. And you push your shock cord in there. And then it should go in there nice and fairly smooth. It's going to try to get hooked on those hooks, but it'll go in. And then once you're ready to launch, you're going to put your rubber bands on. So you can either put them on the top first and then stretch them down. And then make sure that it goes over the outside of the hinge pin. Just like that. All right, so that's the Mini-Copter. That's how you assemble it. I hope these tips have helped you. This is a great little flying rocket, and now with the molded hub, it's much easier to put together.